I have been using a paper planner for years, and it has helped me to save money, make money, manage my time, clean my home, take care of my family, stay on top of my health, and even keep track of my thoughts. Having an analog system has definitely changed my life, but there is a dilemma that comes with paper planning. If you aren't careful, then the one thing that you created to help you can also overwhelm you. I have had one planner and I have had 10 planners. I have had a simple system that helped me to organize my life, and I have been swayed by all of the beautiful options and created a few complicated systems of my own. The one thing that I realized is that the more complicated life gets, the more simple your system has to be. And my life has gotten way more complicated in the past 2 years. I have been a money coach for over 5 years, so that didn't change. But in the last 2 years, my husband and I opened up a church, which means that now I am a pastor and we also run our church full time. We have kids that are hitting their preteen phase, and so that requires a different amount of energy than when they were younger. We travel more, we have more speaking engagements and counseling sessions, and the amount of time that I had to plan has changed drastically. Now, this realization was bittersweet because on one hand, I know that I need my planner to function in my life. I know that I needed it to save money and to make money and to help me with my productivity and time management. But on the other hand, I absolutely love planning as a hobby. So I know that the decorative side and the stickers and all of the other fun aspects of planning, I was definitely going to miss. And I wanted to share that with you because I know some of you may be experiencing the exact same thing. You love the decorative side of planning. You love to use planning as a hobby. However, that hobby could be getting in the way of the functionality of your life. So in this season of my life, even though I know I'm going to miss decorative planning, I am going to keep it simple. And I want to share with you how. So for the next 25 days, I'm sharing 25 videos that will help you to organize your life and your money on paper. From setting up your planner, to organizing your bank accounts, to managing your family, and creating routines. This series is designed to help you feel ready to take on your organization journey. I'm really excited to share with you my system, and I'm hoping that it will help you to create your own. So I will see you in tomorrow's video where I'm sharing the creation of my planner for the new year. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye, guys.